Hello guys, how are you? In this video I will tell you how you can or how can you block someone on Facebook, so they will not be able to see any of your activities and cannot be able to send you the messages. Okay, if someone is annoying you or disturbing you again and again and sending you friend requests again and again, and you can temporarily or you can block them permanently. Okay, so Facebook give us the two options. First of all, visit the Facebook and you need to visit the profile of someone who is sending you the friend request, or if the person is in your friend list or not. Okay, so you can just type the name of the person that you want to block, or you can just click on the profile image and go to the profile of that person, and then you can click on this gear icon on this one, and you can block this person, and you can click on the add to block button. Okay, so by blocking this, the user will be blocking, and even you will not be able to see this user and his post, because he is annoying you and he is disturbing you. So Facebook do not want you to display his profile also. Okay, and he will also not able to. Okay, so now the person is added to the block list, and if you want to see your block list, you need to click on this gear icon, and for example, if you are willing to unblock this person, okay, so click on this gear icon in the top right corner, and you need to go into your account settings is under the health and setting tab here, and add this position. This is the account setting. You need to click here and go to the blocking. The sixth option is blocking, and you will be able to see the people that we blocked recently. The recently person will be displaying on the top, and we can also unblock this person if we want. Okay, so this is the first option, was that go to the profile and visit the profile of that person, and then click on the gear icon and then block it. Okay, now the second option is that you can visit the blocking section, and you can directly add the person into the block list by just search by name or an email address. For example, we can search uns or someone else. We can also block them. Okay, even they are in your friend list or not, it doesn't matter. You will be able to block anyone. Okay, because anyone can message you and can disturb you, can annoy you, or even if you are not willing to see them, or they do not see them. Okay, if you're willing that someone do not see that you have your Facebook account, then you can also block that person. Okay, even he is annoying you or not, but it is your security concerns or maybe your privacy concerns. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions under comments. I will be answering all of them. If the video was helpful, please feel free to like it and share it. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get all the updates related to my channel. Thank you very much again for watching this video. Have a great day, guys.